Welcome to my Jimdo website builder review. Today, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about this platform based on my hands-on experience. Jimdo is one of the most popular website builders out there, known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and ease of use. It promises a quick and easy way to create professional websites with minimal effort, even for beginners who don't have any coding skills. First, when you sign up with Jimdo, you're immediately greeted by their intuitive dashboard. You can start from scratch or choose a template, which is especially helpful if you don't have design skills. The templates available are modern and sleek, designed for various business types, from personal blogs to e-commerce stores. These templates are mobile optimized, so your website will look great on any device right out of the box. Once you've chosen a template, Jimdo's drag-and-drop editor lets you customize everything with ease. You can add text, images, and buttons, or even integrate third-party services, like social media feeds. While Jimdo doesn't offer as much design flexibility as some other builders, like Wix, it strikes a balance by being extremely beginner-friendly and offering a good range of options without overwhelming you. One of the features I really like is the AI-powered website creation tool. This tool asks you a few questions and creates a basic website for you in just a few minutes. From there, you can tweak the design and add more content. It's a real time saver for those who want a website up quickly without spending hours learning how to use a website builder. When it comes to e-commerce, Jimdo provides a straightforward solution for creating online stores. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even services. The platform includes everything you need to manage an online store, from product listings to inventory management, and even payment integrations. However, it's worth noting that Jimdo's e-commerce features are more basic compared to specialized platforms like Shopify, so it may not be the best option for larger stores or businesses with complex needs. Now, let's talk about pricing. Jimdo offers a free plan with limited features, but to unlock more advanced tools and e-commerce capabilities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. There are several tiers, depending on what you need, and the pricing is pretty competitive when compared to other website builders. In terms of support, Jimdo offers email and chat support. The response times are relatively fast, and I found the support team to be helpful when I had questions. However, they don't offer phone support, which could be a downside for some users. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do check them out after watching the video. To wrap things up, Jimdo is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to create a professional-looking website quickly and easily, especially if you're a beginner or need something simple and straightforward. However, if you're looking for extensive customization options or advanced features, you might want to look into other website builders. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on website builders and other useful tools.